Hello, and welcome back to DriveTracker. In this video, you'll learn how to manage, share, and delete routes. Logging into DriveTracker will bring you to your route list, where you can add, edit, share, and delete your routes. To learn how to add a new route, please refer to the video titled Importing Addresses. To view a list of all of your routes, click on My Routes. There, you should be able to see a list of your routes as well as the date that you created each one. If you click on an individual route, a list of route management options will appear. Clicking View Directions will redirect the page, and your route should appear on the map. Now you can edit and export your directions as outlined in the Exporting Directions video. To return to your routes, click on Route List. The next option, Edit Route, allows you to add or remove locations and re-optimize your route. Next, you can click the Share Route button to share your route and directions with other DriveTracker users. You'll be able to see who each route is shared with, and you can enter new email addresses in the field that reads Email to Share With. As long as the email that you enter is paired with another DriveTracker user, clicking Submit will send that route to them. If you wish to remove a user from a route that you've just shared with them, just click the Remove link. Finally, the Remove Route option allows you to delete a route entirely. To view the routes that have been shared with you, click on Shared with Me below My Routes. There, you'll see the email addresses of users that have shared routes with you. By clicking on an email address, you'll be able to see each route that a given user has shared with you. And if you click on a route, the same options as before should appear, bar the option to share a route. Note that you cannot share routes that have been shared with you by other users.